Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you a simple stochastic RSI strategy that is fully automated and tested over 1000 times. This strategy gives you some fantastic results as you can see below, and it is fully automated via AutoView. One of the best advantages of using an automated bot is that it eliminates emotions from trading, which is the main reason most traders lose money after few bad trades. It is also consistent. It doesn't miss any winning trades and avoids late entries, so you never miss on the profit when you are right. This strategy is also set up with auto risk management. It only risks a specific amount on each trade, as we will see soon in more details. In this video I am going to show you how the strategy works. Go over the parameters of the strategy to maximize your profit, and in part 2 of the video I'm going to show you how to connect your broker to TradingView using AutoView to automatically trade this strategy. The strategy is very simple and straightforward. We buy when the stochastic crossover below 20 level. We sell when it crossover above 80. These levels can be adjusted to get the best results. The strategy also using 2 EMA so that we are always trading with the trend. The red line is the slow 200 period EMA and the green line is the fast 50 period EMA. These can be adjusted for your desired results. We only look to go long when the green line or the slow 50 period EMA is above the red line or the 200 period EMA, so that we are only trading with the uptrend. Likewise, we sell when the green line is below the red line, so that we only look to go short when the trend dot, so that is the basics of the strategy. We now look at the stop loss and take profits of the strategy. It uses ATR, the average true range of the market, to place a stop loss and 2 take profit targets. Again, these settings can be adjusted to optimize our profit. We can go on the settings to plot the stop loss lines on the chart if we want. The black line is the stop loss for a buy trade, and the blue line is the stop loss for sell trade. These stop losses do not trail the price because they do not give us the best result for this strategy, but I will be including trailing stop losses in future videos. So, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss anything. Since our stop loss do not trail, we have 2 profit targets based on ATR multiples. So, let's go over an example now. Here we have entered a long trade as the 50 period EMA is above the 200 period EMA. We can only trade with the uptrend. We get a crossover from our stochastic, and this crossover is below the 30 level. We have entered on the open of this candle. Now our stop loss is places below 2 times the ATR, which is the plotted black line. If the price moves below this line, the strategy will close the trade with a loss. We will take 2 profits if the trade goes in our favor. If the price reaches half times the ATR, it will take half of the profit. When the price reaches 1.5 times the ATR, it will close the remaining half of the trade. Likewise with a sell trade, so that we get the best risk and reward ratio on each trade. Now let's go over the settings of the strategy. At the top of the inputs, we have the parameters for the stochastic RSI. All these parameters are adjustable. I believe 30 and 70 lower and upper bands for the stochastic RSI gives you the best results. Then we have our EMA settings. By the default these are 50 and 200 period EMA. Then we have the ATR length. By default this is set to 14. We have the ATR multiple stop loss. By default is set to 2. So that the stop loss is placed 2 times the ATR away from the trade entry. We have 2 ATR multiple take profit targets. But you can put the same number in each if you just want 1 take profit target. We have account balance. This is for risk management, so that we are only risking a certain % of our account value on each trade. You can adjust these settings as you like. We do get some good result. As an example, look at the euro versus US dollar on 30 minutes time frame. You can have free access to this TradingView script so you can test it yourself. By clicking the link in the description, it will take you to the TradingView script. Please note, due to the auto risk management, this script only works with currency pairs. You can also support me on my Patreon, where I will publish the fully automated version of the script. It trades this strategy automatically by just turning on your computer. In the second part of the video, I will show you how simple it is to automate this strategy using AutoView. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube and hit the bell button so you don't miss anything, and I will see you in part 2.